Hi, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to write lowercase character G and H. Very simple and easy. Come on, look it. Put your marker on third line. Start moving your marker diagonally on second line. Make curve here downward, then come back. Touch third line. Now you can see here is lowercase character C. Now complete this circle. Now touch the second line again. Come back on fourth line. Make loop here. Now move your marker upward and touch the third line. Pick up your marker. Once again I'm writing here. Put your marker on second line, third line. Start moving your marker. Make curve here. Touch the second line. Move your marker forward and backward. Come back and touch the third line. You can see here is the shape just like lowercase character C. Complete this round. Touch the second line. Come back on downward. Touch the fourth line. Make loop here and touch the third line. Now pick up your marker. I'm going to write lowercase character H. Put your marker second line. Start moving your marker upward. Slide diagonally. Now come back on third line. Make loop here. Now come back on second line. Make a round shape downward like this. Now pick up your marker. Here is lowercase character H. Once again I'm writing here. Put your marker on second line. Move your marker diagonally upward on first line. Move your marker downward, making loop here on third line. Come back on second line. Make curve downward. Now leave line here. Pick up your marker. Here is lowercase character H. Hope all of you have learned it. We will meet in next video. See you. Tata.